Alright guys, we're going to sharpen the blades and grease up my skag here. It's a 2015 SWZT Hydro 48-inch cut with a 15 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Take a breaker bar or a ratchet. I like using the breaker bar because it gives you more leverage. And these are a 1-inch socket for the blades. I always take a piece of wood, just jam it somewhere, that way the blade won't move when you try to loosen the nut up. Got my piece of wood in the corner of the blade right there against the deck curve. Got my ratchet on there. Push away from you. Twist that nut. That's how you take the blade off. And it's a good idea when you sharpen your blades to clean all this gunk and old wet grass out. I try to sharpen mine about every week. For what I do, I mow 15 to 20 yards every week, so it's not a ton. If you're doing 15 or 20 a day, you need to sharpen your blades a couple times a week. But for me right now, my business, it's just that. So I just sharpen my blades about once a week and clean my deck out every time I do it. It's the same deal putting them back on. I just always hand tighten them up before they're snug. Then stick the wrench on. If you've got an impact wrench, they're good to use, but if you tighten one with the impact wrench, you're going to have to get it off with an impact wrench. And if you're out mowing on your route and something happens to your blade and you have to replace it, you probably won't have an impact wrench with you. Just remember that. Alright, to grease it up, you got one right here on each side, one on each caster wheel in the front on each side. And if you've got a Velcro, mine's the right brand. You've got one on each wheel on the inside, one right here, and here, and then there's one up in here that I'll show you here in a minute when I grease it. do this one. I don't like the way this is set up, but that's how it is. So I got to deal with it. You have to take this little cotter pin out over here. Slide this pin out.
Huh?
And there it is. Alright guys, that's about all there is to it. It's very simple, very quick. You can do all this in 20 minutes easy. And it's worth it. I mean, these machines are expensive. And it's worth 20 minutes a week or whenever to keep it up. So, if you got anything else you'd like to see, just let me know, comment, let me know. I'll try to get to it. If I've encountered it or know how to do it. I will do an oil change video here soon. I meant to do it today with this one, but I got the wrong oil filter yesterday. So, but I'll get back by the parts house and get the right one sometime this week, and do a video on it. But if it's your first time on my channel, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Put stuff up all the time, so hopefully there's something out there for you. But have a great day. Thank you for watching.